Shwedagon Pagoda, Yangon, Myanmar. The Shwedagon Pagoda in Yangon, Myanmar is not just a golden stupa, it's a monumental piece of history, culture, and spiritual significance. Said to house 8 hairs of the Buddha, this temple has been the focal point of Myanmar's Buddhist practices for over 2,600 years. Its golden dome shimmering under the sun is one of the most iconic sights in the world. But did you know there's an element of mysticism surrounding its origins? The site of Shwedagon Pagoda was, according to legend, chosen by a white elephant, a rare and sacred creature, which was seen wandering to the hilltop with a bell tied to its neck. The belief was that the white elephant led the way to where a sacred relic of the Buddha could be enshrined, marking the temple as an eternal and sacred place. Today, it stands as a place of prayer, reflection, and ceremony, with locals often gathering to make offerings and meditate. The inner courtyard is home to countless smaller shrines and statues, each with its own spiritual significance, offering more secrets hidden within its golden walls. What many visitors don't realize is that beneath the surface of the pagoda is an entire labyrinth of caves, relics, and historical objects that are often only accessible to high monks or researchers. These concealed areas offer a deeper connection to the temple's past, adding another layer to the already fascinating mystery surrounding the Shwedagon Pagoda.